On the Chevy Spark, you gotta use a flathead screwdriver, pop that one up. You notice I already removed it, and then you have to remove the one that's in there. This one actually you don't have to pull out because there's nothing back there unless you're trying to take off the door, but we certainly weren't. This one, very difficult to take off, especially if you have this one here. There's a clip. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it's coming out. There you go.
It's just a handful of clips. Probably should have lowered the window prior to starting. There we go. Get the feeling. There we go. And that's all there is to it. On there a lot better than I expected it to be. Kudos, Chevy, y'all make a strong product. The window up. See if I can find that down. The other side there. Okay, so that's when the door is closed. Oh, it's locked. When you unlock it. So why won't the door open?
I don't know. Does it engage? Lock it again? I mean,
are you able to let me out from the inside?
From the inside you can get out, but you can't get out from the outside. You can't open it from the outside.
Let's take a look here. Oh, you can't open from the outside?
Yeah.
Oh. In that case, let's take a look here. So from there, that one pops out.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try the outside. Hang on. Do it. Let's get the camera in there. Alright, go ahead and try to open it from the outside. Okay, so that's going down a certain amount. Now I'm gonna put my hand in there. Like, go all the way down as far as you can go from the outside.
Got it.
It's supposed to go just a little bit more. I think that small section of orange, which is a little rusted, is where it's not going down just far enough to open the door. So what I ended up doing was pulling this out right here, and then this one popped up a little bit higher. So if you'll notice, there's a considerable amount of space, a much larger gap. So now pop that one down. Maybe y'all can see that out here. Alright, go ahead and open it from the outside. And it opened, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure did. Okay.
We could test it. It's inside.
That's what it was. Alright, let's test it out. Fixed it. Awesome. Another problem solved. So that was a big chihuahua that ran into this thing. I'm pretty sure he died. Poor little guy. So from the inside, we're gonna go ahead and push that out on that side, and then we're gonna catch the reaction on the other side. Okay, so that one's recording. Alright, go ahead and pump it out. Oh, keep going. Oh, nice. Okay, it's a little bumpy, but wow, that turned out better than I was expecting. All right, now we got to put everything back together now that this door works. Go ahead and put this back down. Put all the tape back. Panel, please. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, good stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pretty sure that one went in there somehow. And this one goes on like so. And what I'm really trying to do is get this clip in there.
Yeah, well, you probably clip it. You probably put it on there now. It'll slide on and clip in.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be really helpful. Let's see if that'll work. Gosh, I can't even get it on there. Oh, there we go. Oh, it sure did. Nice, and it worked. Okay, well, at least it's easier to put on than it is to take off. You sure? Whoa, whoa, whoa.